Hey guys, it is Shannon, Brian. We are going to IKEA. And we actually have a lot of shopping to do. A lot. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with us into IKEA, and then at the end I will do a big haul. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so let me walk you around their craft inspiration kind of room. I don't like it as much as their last one, but there's some cool things in here, so I thought I would show you for some organization ideas. I love these. I wish I had some of these little drawer things. They're nice and compact. They're nice and clean and white and organization. They're smaller, so I really like these. These are the Alex drawers, and they're on wheels. So I do like that. And then these are newer. They're like a different kind of pegboard. So you can put little containers on there, hooks on there. So I think that's kind of neat. And then let's see what else is over here. These, I guess these would be kind of neat in a space. I'm just not a fan of how they're stacked. I like more clean looking, but they're like lockers. They're metal. So these are the Hale. And then there's another desk over here. Drawers. So that's a cute little desk. Alright, so we are actually here looking at two things. One are kitchen ideas, and two are bedroom ideas. So we're in the kitchen section first, and I will give you a little tour of what our St. Louis IKEA has. we are going to be working on really soon is our bedroom. You can run away. And we love this dark color versus I know a lot of the style and trend right now is to do light colors. We really like this really, really dark color, which is a like navy blue. And yeah, so this is kind of our favorite bedroom. I'll give you a look around and then hopefully we'll be able to do our own bedroom makeover very soon. Modeling the bed with his IKEA catalog.
It's plush.
Oh gosh. So I really like the curtains and the shades. Hello. And the shades, which it's hard to see with the camera, but you can see here, they're like the bamboo shades. And we actually have this old style of nightstands that are like a really, really dark black brown color, but they don't sell those anymore. So these go really well with the dark colors of this room. We need a new headboard, so we're looking at that. We need new bedding. So I think those are the things we are going to decide on today. But yeah, let me know if you like this style bedroom. Stop it right now. And I guess we need this bathtub too. Yes, I want this just because of this.
Yes.
I just want that.
That upstairs.
Is that comfortable?
Actually, yes. Since I've never actually taken a bath in the one we have.
All right, well then we need this bathroom along with the bedroom, which actually I do really like too.
I do suggest a toilet in our bathroom.
Oh gosh, there's no toilet in here. That's hilarious. Okay, yeah, there's no toilet in here. There's no room for one. All right, so now we're gonna go decide on bedding and window coverings. All right, so this is the bedding that I think we're gonna go with. It is Honspar King Extra Warm. No, that has to be the comforter. Okay, that's the comforter. This is Skagslom.
Yeah,
Don't hate me for saying that wrong. So yeah, I think this is the comforter we're gonna go with. It's kind of a neutral gray. That'll lighten up the room if we paint it navy. And then this beautiful rug. I love this rug too. I think that might have to go in our room eventually. I like these curtains too. And these are actually heavier and not as expensive as the last room. And these are ingot gray, a nice gray. I also really like these white, they're not too sheer, but that's really pretty with them. These are whatever that word is. So this is a look at another one of the bedrooms we really like. It's kind of glam and refreshing. All right, now that we have daydreamed our way through the showroom, we're gonna go actually put things in our big cart because we need a big cart. So let's go do some shopping. All right, so here is a look at the IKEA haul. So I wanted to show you what all we ended up getting, which was mostly things for the bedroom. The first couple things are these really pretty pillows. They're like a velvet with this ripple in them, and they were on the bed in one of the showroom bedrooms. So we got 2 of these, 2 of the Vanderot, and then 3 of these bamboo shades. We wanted the lighter color, but I don't know if they are just out of stock or back ordered, because the last couple times we've gone in to get them, they have not been there, and they have only had these dark colored ones. And so we got 3 of those for the bedroom. This rug will actually be going in the kitchen if the size works out well. So it's just sort of a natural color with this black detail on it. This is our new bedding. This is the duvet cover and the pillow shams. This was also on that bed in the bedroom where these pillows were. And we got one of these pillows, the insert pillows. And I'm not sure if you've tried these pillows yet, but these are actually really nice pillows. And they're only $5, so it's a great deal, and you can kind of swap them out as often as you need, although they last quite a while and they stay nice and fluffy. And then this is the comforter that will be going inside this duvet cover, and I'm just like a cold-natured person, so we got the warmer insert. And then the last thing is this beautiful, it was called Majestic Palm, I believe. And then we bought this pot for it to go in, and this will also be going in the bedroom. So that was our IKEA haul. It was a little pricey, mainly because of the comforter and because of the duvet. And then the blinds actually aren't very expensive, but because there's 3 windows, we needed 3 of those. So this is just kind of the start of our bedroom makeover.